Welcome to CBSE Science Experiments. Today we shall discuss about the different parts of a dicot sheet. Why we are calling it as a dicot sheet? Because there is two cotyledons is given, means two cotyledons are present, that's why it is called dicot sheet. In the first picture we can see that intact seed is given, and intact seed means that seed coat is also present, and two different parts is mentioned there, that is micropyle and another is hilum. Okay, I will show you just what is micropyle and what is hilum. And the side side one more picture is given there. Seed coat has been removed, and for this reason the internal different parts is visible. So you can see the two cotyledons are present, and besides cotyledon one more embryonic axis is present. So that embryonic axis is divided into different parts. First one is plumule, next one epicotyle, next one point of attachment, next one hypocotyle, and then radical. Point of attachment means the point of attachment with cotyledon. The cotyledon, and the point of attachment means here the attachment between the cotyledon and embryonic axis. Okay, now we shall proceed for the practical. Okay, now let's see. This is a sprouted seed. So this is a sprouted seed means a radical has came out. So as a radical has came out, so this will be termed as a sprouted seed. And after removing this seed coat again it is divided into two parts, that it's testa and tegmen. So that but this in this case testa and tegmen is not possible to show because it is totally fused. But you should know that the seed coat is divided into testa and tegmen. The outer portion is testa and inner portion is tegmen. Anyway, so now you will see that these are the cotyledons. Two cotyledons are present here. Okay, as two cotyledons are present, so that's why it is called dicotyledonous seed. This is intact seed, this is the seed coat, and after these are the cotyledons, and this is embryonic axis. Now see, this embryonic axis has been divided into different parts. What are the parts? See, this these parts, this is called actually radical, and the upper this small portion is called plumule, and just these are the point of attachment, and just above the point of attachment, which is the portion that is called actually epicotyle, and just below the point of attachment this portion is called hypocotyle. So this is a complete embryonic axis. Okay, this is complete embryonic axis, and this embryonal axis has been divided into plumule, epicotyle, point of attachment, hypocotyle, and radical. So now I am going to show you the hilum, present of hilum, and so actually this portion is the hilum. This portion is actually the hilum, and micropyle, just upper portion, this portion is micropyle. Okay, so this is all about the dicot seed, that is gram seed. So today up to this much. If you like this video, please share, comment, and subscribe.